Meaning of eagle.
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 Eagle. The word eagle refers to a large, predatory bird with a hooked beak and strong, curved talons. Eagles are typically found in mountainous regions and near bodies of water, and they are known for their keen eyesight and powerful flying abilities. In many cultures, eagles are seen as symbols of strength, freedom, and courage. With their impressive physical characteristics and natural dominance, eagles have earned a place of respect and admiration in the animal kingdom and human imagination alike.